Hi children, good morning children. Take your workbook. Open page number 33. See children here, state true or false. First one, glass is made out of sand, limestone and soda. This is correct sentence. Yes or no children? Yes, very good. Glass is made out of sand, limestone and soda only. So write down in this bracket like this. Capital T R U E. True. This is true sentence. So write down in this bracket true. Second one. We get metal from the sky. We get metal from the sky. It is correct sentence? No. What is the correct sentence children? We get metal from the ground. So it is false. So write down in this bracket false. F-A-L-S-E false. Write neatly. Capital F-A-L-S-E false. Third one. Leather allows light, electricity and heat to pass through it. Yes, it is correct. No. Why? Leather does not allow light, electricity and heat. So it is false sentence. So write down capital F A L S E false. Fourth one. Rubber is hard. Rubber is hard children. No. Rubber is very soft. So it is false sentence. Write down capital F A L S E false. Next one, wood floats on the water. Wood floats on the water only. It is correct sentence. So write down true. Capital T R U E true. T R U E true. Next one. Cotton is soft and can be folded. Yes, it is true sentence. So write down in this bracket capital T R U E. True. Write neatly like this only children. Next one. Match the thing to the material it is made of. These are things children. Yes or no? Middle one is material. So match the thing to correct material. What is this one? Yes, this is table. Table is made up of which material? See carefully. Yes, wood. So draw a line from table to wood. Next, second picture. What is this ma? Yes, this is sweater. This is sweater. Sweater is made up of which material? Yes, wool. So draw a line from sweater to wool. Next, third one. What is this? Yes, very good. This is a book. Book is made up of which material? Paper. Which material children? Paper. So draw a line from book to paper. Left side matching is finished. Table to wood. Sweater to wool. Next, book to paper. Very good. Come to the right side matching. What is this children? Aquarium. Aquarium is made up of which material? Yes, glass. GLASS. What is this one? Rubber. Rubber is made up of which material children? Rubber. Erase rubber. Rubber is coming from rubber plants. Okay children, draw a line from eraser to rubber. Okay. Last one. What is this one children? Yes, it is cloth. This cloth is made up of which material? Cotton. This cloth is cotton cloth. So match from cloth to cotton like this. Turn the next page, children. See children, page number 34, next page. Write the name of the material each object is made up of by looking at its picture. See children, what is this one? This is a balloon. It is made up of which material? Yes, rubber. Write down in first blank capital R U B B E R, rubber. Write neatly R U B B E R, rubber. Next one. What is this children? This is a sweater. Sweater is made up of which material? Very good. Wool. Write down capital W O O L. Next, what is this? What is this picture children? This is jug, water jug. Steel water jug. It is made up of which material? Very good. Metal. METAL, metal. Write neatly children. Rubber, wool and metal. Next, coming to the second line children. What is this? As it is bottle made up of which material? Glass. GLASS, glass. Write neatly. What is this one? This is a bucket. It is made up of which material? Plastic. So this is plastic bucket. PLASTIC, plastic. PLASTIC, plastic. What is this one children? This is jacket. This is a jacket. It is made up of which material? This is a leather jacket. So write down LEATHER, leather. LEATHER, leather. So come to third line. What is this picture? This is a table. This is a table. Table is made up of which material? Very good. Wood. Table is made up of wood. What is this one? This is a glass. And it is made up of which material children? Paper. So finally it is a paper glass. It is a paper glass. Write down P down letter ER, paper. PAPER, paper. Next, what is this one? Gloves. Gloves is made up of, gloves are made up of which material children? Rubber. Very good. Capital R U B B E R, rubber. Write down in third line wood, paper, P down letter and rubber. Come to fourth line children. What is this one? This is a bag. This bag is made up of which material? Leather. Capital L E A T H E R, leather. LEATHER, leather. Write neatly children. Are you following? Very good. What is this one? Yes, this is shirt. This is shirt. This one is t-shirt, and this is made up of cotton cloth. Which material, children? It is made up of cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. What are these, children? You know very well, yes? What are these? These are hangers. Hanger is made up of which material? Very good, children. Plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. Write down, children, without any mistakes. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. I will recall it, children, again. So carefully, ma. Rubber. Balloon is made up of rubber material. Sweater is made up of wool. And this jug is made up of metal. Next line. This bottle is made up of glass material. This bucket is made up of plastic. This jacket is made up of leather material. Next line. This table is made up of wood. This glass is made up of paper. And these gloves are made up of rubber. Next line. This bag is made up of leather. And this t-shirt is made up of cotton. These hangers are made up of plastic. Okay, children? Write neatly in your workbook without any mistakes. Okay, children? We will meet again in next class. Thank you, children. Bye.